How to schedule a meeting on Google Meet. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to schedule a meeting on Google Meet. First of all, open up the Meet app. After opening the app, click on New Meeting. Then tap on Schedule in Google Calendar. Now to schedule a meeting, you need to add a title. Then select the time and date for the meeting. You can also add notifications to your meetings and set the timer of notifications. Now tap on Default Color and choose the different colors from here. Then scroll down and tap on Add Attachment. You can choose any of the given items from here, like computers. Now go back and tap to save the scheduled meeting. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.